So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use datetime functions using DAX in Power BI. So these functions helps you to create calculations based on date and time. Many of the functions in DAX are similar to the Excel date. However, DAX functions use a datetime data type and can take values from column as an argument. And if you see the official Microsoft site, they have listed down around 10 to 15 datetime functions like calendar, date, then we have day, then we have minute, now, second, quarter, and like this. Let's see how one works. Let's take an example of this now function. And the description they have written as it returns current date and time in datetime format. So let's see how this works. So for that, open any Power BI report, and over here I'm working with online retail dataset, and it has columns like category, order date, profit, and sales. And over here just right click on the dataset and click on new measure, since we are creating a new measure. And let's give it a name as today's date. Just a second. Over here let's give it a name as today's date, and I will simply use now function. And if you see the description, it returns current date and time in datetime format, and I will just hit enter. It is taking some time, so we'll have to wait. And as you guys can see on the right hand side, we have created one new measure with the name today's date. So I will just select this, and let's see what it contains. And over here I will bring it over here, and instead of bar, let's say I want a card. So as you guys can see, it is giving me today's date as well as the time. So in this way you can use any datetime function using DAX in Power BI. We are going to cover few of them in the coming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.